Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell. The USDA Economic Research Service released its April trade data recently, and U.S. beef export volumes continue to run below 2011 levels. Exports are increasing seasonally, however higher U.S. beef prices are likely keeping export volumes below year-ago levels and encouraging more U.S. beef imports. Year-to-date U.S. meat trade data shows beef exports down 11%, while broiler and pork exports are up 15% and 14% respectively. Mexico is typically one of the largest destinations for U.S. beef, particularly buying cuts from the round. However, recently strong round prices are likely discouraging purchases from Mexico, with outside round prices increasing 28% in 3 years. The decline in exports to Mexico made South Korea the largest buyer of U.S. beef in April, with 35 million pounds of product. That's up 8 million pounds from March. Shipments to Russia were also strong in April at 21 million pounds. It was Russia's third largest monthly U.S. beef purchase volume in history, and the largest since October of 1999. Higher 90% lean trimming prices have made U.S. short ribs, plates, and cuts from the chuck and round more common sources for domestic ground beef. These items were traditionally exported as whole muscle cuts. However, increased domestic grinding demand means traditional export markets are seeing more competition for these cuts, and export sales volumes have weakened. In other words, the export benefit of U.S. beef has declined for traditional buyers such as Mexico, Japan, and South Korea, as domestic uses for these products has increased. Fed cattle prices were $3 to $4 lower this week with a mostly limited trade volume. Cattle in the South traded at $118 to $119 per hundredweight on a live weight basis. In the North, live sales were collected at $119 to as much as $119.50. Dress trade ranged from $191 to $193 per hundredweight. Prices in the boxed beef market were mixed this week with moderate trade volume. Choice product prices continued to increase due to tighter middle meat supplies during grilling season, while select prices lost ground due to increased supplies and mostly steady demand. Feeder cattle values were mixed. Heavier weight cattle traded $2 lower, while lightweight feeder cattle were priced steady to $2 per hundredweight higher. Calves were mostly steady to $3 lower, and slaughter cows were $2 to $5 per hundredweight softer with increasing supplies. Corn prices traded even to higher on old crop corn, while new crop corn futures worked lower. Concerns continue to exist regarding new crop corn as Corn Belt moisture threatens to limit yields. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Become a member at CattleFax.com.